Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself. My name is Henriani and I'm a postgraduate student at the State Islamic Institute IAIN in Parepare. I'm so happy to see you. Well, today's video is about narrative text in the 9th grade MTS class. By the way, do you like reading story? What story do you like? Have you ever read the story of Sangkuriang, Malin Kundan, Timun Mas, Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, or Snow White? Do you know? Those stories are examples of narrative text. So, what is narrative text? Narrative text is a text that tells you a story in chronological order, social function, or purpose. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain or to amuse the reader or listener. Kinds of narrative text. Kinds of narrative text is fairy tale, folk tale, fable, myth, and legend. Fairy tale is a traditional story written for children that usually involves imaginary creatures and magic. For example, like Snow White, Pinocchio, or Cinderella. Folk tale is a story that parents have passed on to their children through speech over many years. For example, like Sangkuriang and Bawang Putih and Bawang Merah. Fable is a fictional story which features animals, planes, or objects and leads to a particular moral lesson. For example, like The Hare and the Snail or The Lion and Rat. It is a popular belief or ancient story, especially explaining the early story of a group of people or about natural events and facts. For example, like Jakatarup and Nyi Roro Kidul. Legend is a very old story or set of stories from ancient times and popularly accepted as historical that tell about a famous event or person, but not always true. For example, like Toba Lake Legend and the Legend of Prambanan Temple. Structure of narrative text. A narrative text usually consists of three parts: orientation, complication, and resolution. Orientation tells about the character and the setting or time or place of the story. Complications shows the conflict or crisis affecting the main character. The crisis increases into climax. Resolutions tells the solution to the conflict. It presents the ending of the story, happy or sad ending. Agar kalian lebih bisa memahami bagian dari teks naratif, simaklah contoh berikut ini. Nah, pada contoh teks naratif, teks tentang Cinderella ini ada 3 paragraf. Paragraf pertama menceritakan tentang tokoh cerita, yaitu Cinderella dan saudara tirinya. Jadi, bagian ini disebut dengan orientation. Paragraf kedua menceritakan tentang masalah atau konflik yang dialami oleh tokoh cerita, di mana Cinderella tidak dapat ikut ke pesta karena dilarang oleh saudara tirinya. Paragraf ini disebut dengan complication. Paragraf ketiga atau paragraf terakhir menceritakan tentang solusi dari masalah yang dihadapi oleh Cinderella, yaitu datangnya seorang peri yang membantu Cinderella untuk datang ke pesta tersebut. Pada pesta dansa tersebut, pangeran jatuh cinta kepada Cinderella dan menikahinya. Akhirnya mereka hidup bahagia selamanya. Nah, bagian ini disebut dengan resolution. I think enough and see you the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.